Alright, so these courts are fast, bro.
They couldn't catch up. They couldn't catch up. Hey, that shit couldn't catch up.
What's going on? We're trying a little different mic setup and GoPro setup today. But today is actually Sunday, October 12th, and today is actually Cars and Copters in Huntington Beach. And today's a Sunday event. Yesterday was a Saturday event, and unfortunately, I'm pretty sure if you guys heard, there was a helicopter accident. That shit was honestly so crazy because I was actually out there on PCH and I was actually gonna come down that way when it happened, which is honestly kind of crazy. But yeah, today we're gonna meet up with some buddies, some AMG homies. Right now I met up with one of the guy that had the C63 in the last video. He actually just got himself a new 2025 C63, the 4-cylinder. That thing is so crazy, bro. I'm gonna pull over, get some gas, and we're gonna head over there. See y'all over there. See y'all out there.
Tim or Utah Wave?
Yo.
Where you at? What is it? Go around the ground.
I'm going, fool. I got stuck at the light. You're still on the, you're gonna take PCH? Hey, y'all catch up.
Alright, hurry up. There's a Cobra right here. Hurry up.
Alright then. We're running a little late, chat. The stupid ass light, bro. Shit. Oh my god. I get so impatient at lights, bro. I've been driving my F-150 recently, my truck. Bro, driving this thing compared to that thing, it feels like I'm driving a damn race car. I forgot. Like this used to be, or well, not this car specifically, but I used to drive one of these all the time, bro. Like this was my daily driver. Oh, this fucking hat's low key not the move with all this hair. Does he want it or what?
You got the other light?
Oh, cool, let this fool take off on me. Nah, I would have caught his stupid ass. There's a motorcycle behind. How am I gonna race you and there's a fucking bike in front of me, bitch? Her little boyfriend, her little girlfriend trying to record like he beat me or something.
You look better.
Yeah.
Hey, got bronze.
Oh, está so.
Oh yeah, it's quiet. No, actually. Who's that food? That's highway.
Bro, look at the GT3s. Oh hell yeah, that's so hard, bro. big cam. Four cylinders too fast. Hey, yeah, you for sure get me on the dig though.
Hey, that shit moves, bro.
Hey, for real, for it being mostly stock and shit. Nah, from a dig, bro, you'll take me though. That torque will kick in for sure, bro. That was a good little race though.
This has no lag, but right away, you're out of there.
Yeah, I know, bro. Look, you timed it perfectly, bro. Because if you're in the wrong gear, it takes a while to get up. It takes a while to get in the power band. That was a good little race. That shit was fun, bro. And we didn't get the red light. That would have been so cool. All three of us would have gotten the light. That would have been so tough. Wasn't ready. Fuck, my bad. Damn, I wasn't ready. I was sleeping. Boy, Hassam's car right there. It was racing on the way. It was a good little race. So tough, bro. Alright, so this vlog's kind of been all over the place, but we're out on PCH earlier chilling with some of the car homies, and now we made ourselves down to K1 Speedway, as you guys can see behind me. But this is not your ordinary K1 Speedway. This is K1 Circuit. So it's a big track. So it's like a pro track as well. So there's like a bunch of trailers over there. It's like in the middle of the desert. It's like an hour away from us, but the homie said it's worth it. So we're gonna try this out for the first time. It's my first time here. They said I really like it. So we'll see what happens, but they've been hyping it up. They've been hyping me up. Some of the homies been, damn, dropped my phone. Yeah, some of the homies been hyping me up because we had went to this simulator thing where like you can, race with all your homies. And I went and I like whooped everybody's feet, and like everybody's been hyping me up. And these guys have been here twice. This is my first time here. So we're gonna see how we do today. Hopefully, we can take first place, but honestly, I'm here to have fun, I love driving, so we'll see how it is. Let's go. Alright, we about to suit up right now.
Like these. Hey, they came out with some all white boots.
You got it
Hey,
ready?
look at you know Ricky Bobby? Yeah. Right here. This is John Gerard.
Is that, oh shit. We ready. That's funny, bro. Dude, this one doesn't fit me either. They're figure finding one. Look, that food is a real race car. Give me one. Give me a number one.
Humility, if you kiss me on the lips now.
What you gonna listen to, Ricardo? I only have 10 minutes left, bro. That's crazy.
10 minutes, delete some videos.
I know I need to delete them right now. Play that shit again, fool.
This is what Julian wants to borrow my card up for so you can
No, okay, nah, this was stupid. Listen, this is what this guy's listening to. No, fool, go back. It's a Mexican song talking about if he was gay. That's crazy, bro.
If he was gay, he's gonna listen to that shit.
Alright, guys, we're on the track. We did one lap. We gotta get used to the track, bro. These cars are fast, bro. Tires are warming up. You can slip easily. Use the whole track. Bro, these cars are fast. You go right here. Fast. Gotta learn how to left foot brake today. You gotta be careful with a few turns. Whoa! Too fast. You saw that? That was. Well, these cars are fast, bro. A little wider here. That's left foot brake, baby. Fast again. This is left for you, bro. Okay, let off of that corner. What is this? Just get out the way, dude. Oh crap! Woo-hoo. You can get on the dirt very easily though. Bro, that was fucking sick, bro. Holy shit. Woo-hoo. That was fucking dope. Second race. This car's way smaller. I ain't gonna lie. I feel way more comfortable in this car. Holy shit. Whoa, brother. Damn, did y'all see that? Woo-hoo. Let's warm these tires up. Bro, I'm fucking last, bro. Fuck. This is even fucking faster, bro. What the fuck? Oh, be careful with this car, bro. This car's fucking OP as fuck. Come on, Snuggle. Buddy, I can't hear a race, buddy. Not the street. Alright, so post race or after the race, whatever. Whoa, I thought that shit was cracked down. I thought the rim was cracked, bro. But yeah, that shit was dope as fuck. Super worth it. The second race, so I got a little slower, but I was cramping up bad. But yeah, that shit was dope. This is my third time filling this motherfucker up, bro. I've been driving this shit all day. Solid day, though. Hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog. Have a good one. Appreciate it.